This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Take a look at markets here as we begin a fresh week, today being Monday, May the 10th. Alright, so here are your markets. Let's take a look at one of the stocks that was a great mover over the last couple of years. Has since cooled off slightly. The stock is Ulta Beauty. ULTA is the ticker symbol. And I want to discuss the long-term monthly chart. Alright, so here we can see that it's been sideways for a couple of months. It looks like a decent base. Trading sideways there since about March 2021. On the daily, we can see that there's a probability here of a nice forming wedge. Draw it as such. So ultimately, the true direction in the short term is gonna be given if it can clear this level. We can anticipate higher prices. If it can break below this line, then those who are looking to take advantage of any drop can use that as a reason to go short. Now, as I said, I want to take a look at the monthly, but before we do that, take a look at the weekly. We can see that there seems to be some resistance here around the, let's call it 350, 340 price level. And I want to discuss that now in the monthly chart. It's a simple video for today, and I'm going to draw a simple single RSI line on the all data monthly, which in my opinion has a lot of data. Single data point. I'll just draw it as such. And what this line does, it gives us the lows of 09 touching the lows here of late 2017, early 18, the lows of late 2018, and then we have this break right here. Now essentially that break is what ended the bull run, because there was a significant price appreciation from 09 all the way to the highs. We can say this high here in 2019. So using this line, we can see that this was a break point right there. Prices right there. And now what I'm saying, it looks like the market is aware of this backtest line. And we can say that should the market not be able to move the stock above this level, and if the monthly chart turns down, confirming resistance, then the next major trend for this instrument is going to be to the downside. So what the bulls want to see here, in essence, is they would want to see this instrument clear the current backtest line on the monthly if there's going to be any chance that this instrument sees higher prices in the months ahead. So that's one line, but I can also add another line to add color, and it is the RSI top side on the monthly. So let me take off that prior number or prior line, and I'm going to draw another line here connecting RSI highs, something like that. We can see that there's a need for this instrument to continue holding above this red line. Otherwise, again, if it drifts back below this area, expect there to be a meaningful reversal from current levels. Keep in mind, this area where the RSI seems to be struggling a little bit is at the 61.8 RSI level, which makes this a meaningful area to watch for either price momentum pickup to the upside or prices showing resistance, and ultimately the next major trend being down. Now let's remember, given that the general market has had a big run, which essentially is supporting the stock, should the general market start pulling back significantly, this instrument would also follow with a big drop from current levels. So not accounting for the monthly chart sometime can blindside you with the next major trend direction. And so it is. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Love, light, love. Namaste.